Understanding, have a good one, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a common English phrase, have a good one. This phrase is often heard in everyday conversations, and understanding its use and meaning can be really helpful for English language learners. So, let's dive in and unravel the nuances of this interesting phrase. Have a good one is a casual and friendly way of wishing someone well. It's often used when parting ways and implies wishing someone a good day, evening, or experience. The word one in the phrase is a vague reference to whatever activity or time period comes next for the person. This phrase is most commonly used in informal settings, such as among friends, family, or colleagues. It's a versatile phrase and can be used in various contexts. When saying goodbye after a casual meeting, at the end of a workday, wishing coworkers a good evening. In service industries, like at a store or restaurant, to wish customers a good day. Let's look at some examples to see how have a good one is used in everyday conversations. 1. At work. As you're leaving the office, your colleague says, have a good one. They're wishing you a pleasant evening. 2. In a coffee shop. After serving you, the barista might say, have a good one, implying they hope you enjoy your coffee and your day. 3. Among friends. When parting ways after a lunch, a friend might say, have a good one, wishing you a good afternoon or whatever you have planned next. While have a good one is widely understood and used in English-speaking countries, it's important to note its casual nature. It's not typically used in formal situations or with people you need to show a high level of respect to, like a boss or an elder. There are several other phrases you can use with a similar meaning. Have a great day. Enjoy your evening. Take care. See you later. All these alternatives also convey good wishes but might be more specific to the time of day or situation. Have a good one is a friendly, informal phrase used to wish someone well. It's a part of everyday English conversations, and understanding its use can add a natural and friendly tone to your interactions. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding this phrase better. Remember, practicing these phrases in real-life situations can greatly enhance your English learning journey. Until next time, have a good one.